Students, today we are going to see two problems from molecular biology subject. Now read the first problem. 4 samples of nucleic acids were analyzed for the proportion of the different bases present with the following results. And they are asking which of these samples were DNA and which of were RNA. So to know the given sample is DNA or RNA. That is, DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA means ribonucleic acid. So for that, first we should know that nitrogen bases present in DNA and RNA. You can classify nitrogen bases into two groups. The first one is purine, another one is pyrimidine. Okay, so the nitrogen bases adenine and guanine comes under purine. Cytosine, thymine and uracil comes under pyrimidine. Okay, in these 5 nitrogen bases, adenine, guanine, cytosine is common for both DNA and RNA. But DNA consists of only thymine, whereas RNA consists of only uracil. So, the nitrogen bases of DNA are adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. And nitrogen bases of RNA are adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. Okay, so now see the options. So in the first sample, the nitrogen bases present are adenine, cytosine, guanine and thymine. So it is DNA. Okay. The second sample, adenine, cytosine, guanine, thymine. So if it is thymine, it is DNA. Okay. And the third sample, adenine, cytosine, uracil. Okay. And guanine. So it shows the sample is RNA. Okay. And here adenine, cytosine, uracil. Okay. So this is also RNA. If thymine is present in your sample, then the sample is known as DNA. And if uracil is present in your sample, then the sample is RNA, that is ribonucleic acid. And the second problem is 4 samples of nucleic acids were analyzed for the proportion or ratios of the different bases present with the following results. The first option is adenine is 30%, cytosine 30%, guanine 20%, thymine 20%. And second option, also they are given the proportion of nucleic acid, and the third option they have given the ratios of the nitrogen bases, and they are asking the given DNA is single stranded or double stranded DNA. Okay, to know the given DNA is single stranded or double stranded, we are going to follow the Chargaff's rule. So first we will see about the Chargaff's rule number 1. So the Chargaff's rule is for double stranded DNA, the number of adenosine is equal to number of thymine. That is, A is equal to T. This is because adenine is always base pair with thymine with 2 hydrogen bond. Okay, then guanine is always base pair with cytosine with 3 hydrogen bonds. So number of guanine is always equal to number of cytosine. Then we know that adenine and guanine are known as purine and thymine and cytosine are pyrimidines. So sum of purine residues, that is A+G is equal to sum of pyrimidine residues, that is thymine plus cytosine. Okay, so A+G is equal to T+C for double stranded DNA. So now come to the option. In the first option, see, the rule is your proportion of adenine should be equal to the proportion of thymine. Okay, so that is adenine should be equal to thymine and guanine should be equal to cytosine. Okay, number of guanine should be equal to number of cytosine. So here in this option, so adenine is 30% and thymine is 20%. So this is not equal to. Okay, so this is also 30% and 20%. So it shows that DNA is not double stranded DNA, that is, it is a single stranded DNA. So and for the second option, see, proportion of adenine 27.5% and proportion of thymine is also 27.5%. So here adenine is equal to, number of adenine is equal to number of thymine. Both are same 27.5%. So cytosine and guanine, these also equal. Okay, so this shows it is a double stranded DNA. The third option they have given in the ratio, that is A plus G divided by T plus C is equal to 1. So see here the rule A plus G is equal to T plus C. So it means A plus G divided by T plus C is equal to 1 for double stranded DNA. For single stranded DNA, A plus G divided by T plus C is not is equal to 1. So from this rule you can directly write A plus G divided by T plus C is equal to 1 for third option. So directly you can write it is an double stranded DNA. So fourth option, A plus G divided by T plus C is equal to 1.9, that is the ratio is not is equal to 1. So this sample is single stranded DNA.